Tropical Storm Erick, approaching Hawaii, set to become a hurricane by late Monday. Tropical Storm Erick is expected to strengthen into the eastern Pacific Ocean's latest hurricane as it approaches Hawaii this week. The weather system organized into a tropical depression more than 1,000 miles southwest of Baja California early Saturday morning, before rapidly strengthening into a tropical storm. Maximum. Although it's too early to tell if Erick will be a direct threat to Hawaii, rough surf and increased rip currents will impact the Big Island, AccuWeather said. Erick. Tropical storm is forecast to move toward the Hawaiian Islands through the week, crossing into the central Pacific Basin late Monday or early Tuesday. Follow for more the amount of rainfall Erick delivers will depend on where the storm moves in proximity to the islands, though it's almost Another tropical depression that has formed behind Erick is also likely to become a hurricane in the next 2 to 3 days, according to issued by the National Hurricane Center. That system, Tropical Storm 7E, was off the southern coast of Mexico on Sunday morning and moving at about 21 miles per hour west-northwest. This article originally appeared on USA Today. Search for location/city.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.